Hey everybody, my name is Melody. I am a recording artist born in the United States, born in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania to be exact. I've always wanted to go to Africa. I did have the pleasure of doing that this year. We got to shoot a music video at one of the 7 wonders of the world. We shot a music video at Victoria Falls. And it was just an amazing experience. You know, it's like when it came to doing business in Africa, so many things just flowed so much easier for me. Building the right connections, even months and months and months before I actually got there, I was just building those relationships with people, through the internet and everything. But it was just way easier to get things done. And it just, made me realize like a lot of, the diaspora, a lot of them sleeping on Africa. They're not realizing that it's so much opportunity there. I see other races realizing this. I see that they go over there, they get their houses, they build, they make money. But what we really need to do is get Black Americans coming over there, and then we bringing jobs to the continent. We helping each other, So I hope to really see that in the future. I do think that that's going to happen, because now that we have YouTube and we're able to see certain people actually making this happen, we don't have mainstream media just lying to us now. We can actually see what's really going on over there. I think a lot of people is going to start to, wake up and try to do the same thing, So and it's a few other things too that I, realized over there that could really help us. Like if you're a single mother like myself, and when it comes to like child care and stuff like that, it's way easier to get child care. The people seem a bit more trustworthy. It's way more affordable. When it comes to housing, it's way more affordable and it's way easier to get in. Here over in the States, sometimes it doesn't matter if you have the money to get into a place. If you don't have the right credit score, if you don't have, like, say you have like an eviction or something on your record, it don't matter if you're a millionaire. If you have certain things that they not looking for, if your skin ain't even the right color some places here, you can't move in that area. So it's like I appreciated that things were negotiable there, and that if I had the money to get into certain places, I can just get in there. I do understand, like, with rent, you had to pay a few months ahead of time, but that was good for me. That was good enough for me. So that's just a few of the things that I realized over there that were major bonuses, compared to what I'm used to. Another thing was the food. The food was really good and fresh. I never had food that, like vegetables that weren't like genetically modified and stuff like that until I went there. So the food was good. The people were extremely, extremely helpful and pleasant. And yeah, that's what I'm like. I need to go back like ASAP, So, I've been working on a few projects. I want to make sure when I go back, I am financially stable and that I'll be able to provide for my family and everything. So we have a project coming up. It's to build an eco lodge. To build an eco lodge that's going to be solar powered. I want to build it in Livingstone, Zambia, so that it's near Victoria Falls, the tourist capital. So I want to do that and, bring some people in. And then after, say, like a year or so, when we start a year or two, when we make profit, I want to use it as a way to connect the diaspora and the continental Africans, so that we'll start making educational trips to the continent. So we take maybe maybe 20, people from over here. They say they want to go to Africa. We fly them out there. They get to see it, experience it for themselves instead of going off of just what we've heard and seen, on TV. And they get that experience, that life-changing experience that I feel like every African American, I don't even like using that term, but like every you know, that we can all see, you know, and experience. So yeah, that's all I had to say. I just wanted to hop on here right quick and send a quick message out. And if anybody would like to learn more about what, you know, we have going on with the Amoredic Lodge project, I'll leave a link below. All right, thank y'all for taking this time with me. Signing out, it's Melody. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.